Welcome to the Mason Pot fam. So you're new to infusing, no problem. Only solution here with the Mason Pot Herbal Infuser and Decarboxylation Kit. Maybe you already enjoy smoking, dabbing, buying edibles especially. This is a game changer. So let's go ahead and pop it open here. This is the black version. This is $99 on our website, masonpot.com. Feel free to check that out. My whole thing, the reason why this product was created was to bring the infuser to the masses, bring a super high quality product that can then guarantee a great infusion and a great batch every time. So let's open this up. Got our little magnet in there, handwritten letter from me, I guess, to myself. Welcome to the fam. We're so excited for your first infusion. Just follow the step-by-step guide video and you'll be in great shape. Please feel free to share recipes or ask us questions. Let's pop this open. And guys, infusing can be intimidating. I remember like 10 years ago when I did my first infusion, I heard decarboxylate, different timings, different things like that. And just like that said, if you follow the video, you'll have that first batch guarantee. Plus we have our 30-day money back guarantee as well. Basically just scan the QR code to get started here. Let's open it up and go through the process as well as the kit and why it can be a great fit for you. There's the code that you scan right here. Comes with a microfiber cloth, great for cleaning everything up. An extra band here. Here are the lids here. Let's pop this open real quick so you can see. We have two different lids here and this will make sense when we go through it. First, what you're gonna do is start with whatever you're infusing. Okay, let's start with just flour. Let's say you bought an eighth of flour from the dispensary. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna open your kit. You're gonna take everything out here, the press, the fine strainer, and the Mason Pot jar itself. We also have the thermometer here, the Mason Pot puck right here, guys, and then the other piece of the thermometer probe here. Simply, let's pretend we have our invisible eighth here. We're gonna throw it right in here. We're gonna take the lid with the silicone ring on it. We're gonna screw it right on top of the jar here, guys. Then we're just gonna take the band, attach it firmly there. So we have our eighth of flour in here right now. The lid's on with the silicone hole, and then we're just gonna put the probe piece of the thermometer in here, and then we'd attach it here to the thermometer, which I'll just leave here to go through this video pretty quick. The beauty of this here, the jar and the thermometer combo, is you can know exactly what's in your jar, not just the temperature of your oven. Using this thing countless times, I don't even know how many infusions I've done, talking to customers and affiliates like, dude, I didn't realize how off my oven was. Maybe 20 to 50 degree variance. So this is a big game changer. So you can really dial it in. For the decarb process, we do 240 degrees for 40 minutes. Take this, stick it in the oven, 240 degrees for 40 minutes. When that's done, the decarb process is already complete. So the flour is activated, guys. Next, you're just gonna take this off. You're gonna add your oil or butter of choice. Coconut oil, MCT oil, butter, olive oil. You could get creative with other stuff like lard and schmaltz and whatnot. There's some videos on that too. So you had the eighth in here, you added, let's just say a half cup of oil, screw it back on, stick it back in the oven for 2 to 4 hours total. I like to do maybe a little swirl after an hour or two or so. This will mix it up, not necessary. And then you're left with your finished product here, guys. So after it's done and it's cooled down, let it cool down after the decarb and after the infusion process, because it's just gonna allow, especially during the decarb, the vapors to settle, and it'll still keep infusing. This jar is so well insulated from the sleeve here that it will really keep a nice temp even when you pop it out, and you can keep track again through the pothole here. Crucial too, or cool when you're doing concentrates. Next, so the infusion's sitting here. You're like, okay, what do I do next? You're ready to go. And I know we're kind of flying through this, and if you're new, it might be a little intimidating again, but there's tons of videos on this channel. I just want to show you this kit's all you guys need. For 99 bucks, you're good to go. Then you'll take the puck here. The infusion's ready. You have the eighth in here with the half cup of oil. Drop that puck right in there. Put this press here right on top. Press that all out. That simple. Just press it. And then the fine strainer you'll set on another Mason Pot jar if you get the OG bundle or any cup of your choice. While pressing down, strain through that fine strainer. I always like to say, we like the finer things in life here at Mason Pot. Then you're left with your final piece, final finished product. your final infusion that you can turn into edibles. If you use a certain oil, you can make it a tincture. The world is your oyster. And then after that, just simply hand wash real quick, warm water and soap, dry with the microfiber cloth, and then you'll just put it all right back in where it came from. And that's one of the things we tried to do here really well, is kind of make an all-in-one kit that's portable, doesn't take up too much space, and is very cost effective and high quality, guys. I hope this video finds you well. If you have any questions, please drop them below. And again, we have like, I think 120 other videos on this channel, and we'll keep making them. The goal is by the end of July here to have 200 videos on this channel. So know when you buy this kit, not only do we have the guarantee, but we have guaranteed content continually dropping and coming at you guys. And that's how we're gonna work it, guys. Thanks again for chilling and wanting to know more about infusing, and if the Mason Pot kit is the right fit for you. Again, like I said from the beginning, when it comes to infusing, no problems, only solution with the Mason Pot kit.